Hi, this is the OPPO Find Answer Flip and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So let's first open the Play Store application, and in the search bar we should enter green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this first application, that's why let's tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Now we should tap to open the app and click enable in settings. Here near green Apple keyboard, let's tap on the switcher and tap to activate. Then go back and click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished, so let's use the search to see the new look of the keyboard, and we can see that it's so close to the iPhone one as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.